What's the comments?
Comments? It's expensive.
This is more expensive than the Dutch.
More production.
More wow factors.
Wow. Yes. Their outfits were Levi's and they were denim jackets.
It's also with It's
Gifted. Oh, interesting.
I didn't get this one.
I was really shameless and I asked.
And I didn't want to be shameless and I want to get
Why
it.
you didn't ask the gift to everyone?
I know. He was gone by the time that we went
You
out.
have to wait because they go to a little door and they're like,
Oh.
I should have been more.
Or like even when they don't have it, be like, I want one.
Yeah, exactly.
Go get it.
I should have insisted.
Maybe for this one.
Maybe I will be shameless for this one.
Yes. I will also be shameless for this one. And they'll be like, you already. I will know. I need one more.
people are really shameless.
Or you can just.
Oh, that's also true. So maybe I should put my water bottle.
Yeah.
Well, you want to see. Do you have something safe?
I like the octopus. I have a few reels saved. But I just want to walk around Brera. Did you see the ones in Isola? Everything.
I was thinking to save it for today because there was a strike.
And this also looks really cool.
I want to go to that one. We should go because yesterday the night was closed. So
It's too long of a line, probably. Too many people.
Yeah. These two are the main ones. I did want to go to.
Tell the camera what just happened to us.
Someone sprayed us in the face. I also have sunscreen on.
I don't have any sunscreen on, so if it was sunscreen, thank you. For the men.
Good for you. I just need to screen my tattoos. That's all.
And why do they have the uniform of the Ghostbusters?
I don't know. It's kind of nice actually.
Yeah, but it's really giving Ghostbusters. They really need to have the backpack.
The factory of light.
Yeah.
They need to give out free shit.
Oh.
Yes.
I would feel compensated from not getting the bag. Show me your bag.
What bag? Oh,
The free bag that you got. Insieme.
enjoying the color.
Very
I like the
pretty.
color they use.
I like the color also. And I like there is one stripe.
Yes.
Oh, it's
Easier
only
to
one
hold
side.
on the shoulder. I'm gonna use this. This is my new performative bag.
And what does the performative bags hold?
It has my iPad, not a book. Maybe one book. One book.
Lining or something.
I want to know.
Whoa.
That looks
It's
nice.
edible.
It looks like you're just eat a coin.
Very nice.
Kind of sucks actually.
Yeah.
It's like if a peanut M&M was bad.
Can I get water?
You have a name.
Do you like the almond?
We couldn't French.
No.
It didn't look edible.
It did not look good. It looked like metal.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
why.
I thought it was
Maybe the Christians
something
have
that
it.
you smell.
You don't.
I thought it's something that you just like. It's like a collection item. I don't know.
You just collect and you
I think it's
Bring home.
really sweet.
I was like, wow, gold?
like a bronze thing. No, it's a
That
fruit.
makes sense.
Yeah. So does
It's a bit too
Aesop
hard,
make
yeah.
light bulb thingies? I don't know.
That's what it says.
But why are they like putting smells and scents all over the place? If it doesn't smell, if it doesn't sell scents,
It does. That's
well.
their main selling.
the scent.
Yes.
But now
Not
they're
the
launching light. I think.
Lights. That's what it looks like from the pamphlet.
People working with their hands thing.
Io e il mio collega siamo alla disposizione。如果有任何中文游客想听中文讲解的话，也可以在我讲英文讲解之后直接到我这边来，好不好？谢谢。So in front of us, we are having this amazing installation inspired by the wave of the illumination, and we chose a place which is, if you're familiar with our products. So the cap of the hand bomb. The gray space is made in Germany, 100% hand craftsmanship, Milano Design, of course. And then we also have the very great music that we heard before. The music is a remade version from all the noises that we collected from our factory in the past. So
Equally. I would like that, like to have a phone like that.
Mobile focus project inspired by daily rituals. It's like fully dark.
A Barcellona, tutta una struttura completa per promuovere l'insieme è più una mostra concettuale.
Yeah, the tilt. At the same days, like
Well, who are these people? Who are those people?